Right. So what model would you subscribe to mostly when talking about origins of universe?
Or do you rather sit on the fence and just keep testing different theories?
You know, I guess I do sit on the fence. It's I think we don't know the origin of the universe yet. I don't know how long it will take us to find it out. Maybe we'll never find it out. I don't want to leap to conclusions about what the origin of the universe is. I think it's fine to explore possibilities. But, you know, when you're doing science and you have a number of different possibilities to explain something, ultimately you want observations or experiment to tell you which of those possibilities, if any, is correct. So I don't know how observationally, experimentally we'll get to the bottom of the origin of the universe and how long that will take. It could take a long time. So I personally, when I'm doing science, I prefer to stick closer to things that can be experimentally tested. I mean, I love speculations. I mean, I speculate for a living, but there are degrees of speculation, right? And yeah, I think experimental testability is very important. I'm not saying these things aren't in principle testable, right? But you know, sometimes they can be very, very hard to test in practice. So, for example, you know, I believe in black holes, that they exist, and there's a lot of good evidence that they're plentiful in the universe. But we can't do experiments on a black hole because we don't have one around,
Exactly.
you know. So all we can do is observe astrophysical systems that give the distinct impression that they have black holes embedded within them, and do our best there. So we can do something there observationally, but it's not as good as actually having a black hole in the lab. Well, but you need something, you know.
For it to be considered knowledge, you essentially need an observation to be made somewhere to go, okay, we can really put this off the theoretical shelf into the...
Well, of course, this is the whole point of science, is to validate your imagined physical laws against reality. And you know, many beautiful ideas have died because, you know, still a beautiful idea, but it just didn't happen to be used by Mother Nature.